Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's get started with this morning news report right now. This man right here, truck driver accused of sexually assaulting woman in Londonderry. Prosecutors say driver assaulted woman traveling with him. A truck driver has been accused of raping a woman in a parking lot in Londonderry. A judge ordered Ryan Hopkins held in preventative detention Monday. Hopkins is facing a list of charges after police say he raped, kidnapped, and assaulted a woman from Arkansas who he met online. Prosecutors said the two met in Kansas and were on the road for a couple of weeks before arriving in New Hampshire. According to court documents, the victim told Hopkins she wanted to go home. Hopkins refused and started asking her to have sexual intercourse with him. The two stopped at Poor Boys Diner in Londonderry on Saturday, where police say Hopkins threatened he wouldn't give the woman a free ride any longer if she did not have sex with him. The court filings go on to say Hopkins continued to ask, and when the woman started getting her things to get out of the truck, he began hitting her and pushing her to the back area of the cabin where the bed was located. The affidavit also says Hopkins also put his hands around her neck and choked her hard enough to restrict her breathing. Police said Hopkins left her at the gas station in Hooksett without her cell phone. Investigators arrested him a short time later after looking at surveillance video and accessing a GPS tracking device through his trucking company. Prosecutors said Hopkins is a registered sex offender and has pending charges in Mississippi that include first-degree murder. And that does it for this morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for tuning in and watching this morning news report. Have a great day, everyone, and goodbye.